Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are doing a battle of the mousses. Now, I recently tried a new mousse by Camille. It is from their Guava Slip line and it's called the Hold Up Setting Mousse, and this is what that looks like. I've already done a review on this mousse. I'll have that video linked up above so you can check it out after this one. But a couple of you requested that I do a battle between the mousses, and so I decided to go ahead and battle the Hold Up with the Crazy Sexy Curl Honey Setting Foam. I do like both of these, so I am just curious to see how they compare to each other. I have already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, detangled my hair, all the things. So, and there's no product in my hair. I'll be using these mousses without any leave-ins or anything. So, let's just go ahead and get in the video. I'm going to take this cap off so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. And I'm just basically just gonna split it down the center and just do one on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Hold Up first and apply that, and then we will move on to Crazy Sexy Curl. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on this side here. Do a little separation here. All right, so here we are with the Hold Up here. I'm just gonna do about 2 pumps because that first section was a little bit on the bigger side. Rub that in, and we are just going to apply it. And as you can see, it is going on rather well, but at the same time, I do kind of snag a little bit as I am running the mousse through my hair, so it's not really, you know, that slippery to get through tangles easily, but you know, it's not a deal breaker or anything. Alright, so that's that side. Looks really good. Lots and lots of definition. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of the mousse to this section, and once I'm done, we'll come back and we'll apply the Crazy Sexy Curl. All right, y'all, so this is the hold up side, and this is what we are looking like. Curls look really good, defined. We still have, you know, some white residue from the mousse and everything. But as you can see, you know, from the other parts where I applied it first, like it has like gone away. So I'm pretty sure it's going to do the same here. So that is the hold up side. So now let's go in with the Crazy Sexy Curl on this side. Let me just go ahead and wipe the rest of this mousse off, so we can have only the Crazy Sexy Curl on my hands. Alrighty, so let's go in with her. Alright, now this one is a little bit more runny than the hold up was. Let's add her. And I feel like now this goes on smooth as well. And I will say it's about the same as far as getting through tangles. It's not that slippery, but as you can see, like this mousse is way more foamy and it's a little bit more elongating. And the curls are not really as defined as the hold up was. So that's something to take note of. And this feels like more creamy than the hold up did. All right, y'all, so that's Crazy Sexy Curl. Let's go ahead and apply the rest of that to this side, and once I'm done, I'll come back and we'll see what the final wet results look like. Alright, y'all, so I am done adding the Crazy Sexy Curl, and as you can see, looks really good. Not a lot of white residue, and I will say, like, when I got up towards the front, it was a little bit more difficult to finger through, like where my hair had started to tangle back up. Not so much with the hold up on this side. I feel like on this side I have more curl clumpage than the hold up side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my hair sit for a few minutes, and then I'll probably sit up under my hooded dryer, and then once my hair has completely dried, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what my dry results look like. Alright y'all, so my hair is completely dry and this is what we are looking like. This is the hold up. And this is the crazy sexy curl. Now, as far as casts go, I will say that I have cast on both of them, but I feel like crazy sexy curl has a bit more hold to it. And as you can see, like I said earlier, the curls are more clumped. Both have shrinkage, which is fine. So right off the bat, just, you know, before stretching and everything, I would have to say that I think I like the crazy sexy curl side better versus this one. Y'all comment down below and let me know what side you like the best at this point. So what I'm going to do now is stretch my hair with my satin scrunchies and put my bonnet on, and then I will come back tomorrow so we can see what our day 1 results look like. And I also do want to add that as I was putting my scrunchies on this side, like the cast turned more into like a really soft and manageable hold. Like I didn't feel any like cast or hardness or anything, versus this side over here, like even though I'm squeezing it, like I still feel a little bit more hold than the hold up. Alright, so this is what we have here. Let's go ahead and put the bonnet on, and like I said, I will be back tomorrow y'all, and we will see what day 1 looks like. Alright y'all, so this is day 1. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with. So this side was the hold up. Let's go ahead and take the scrunchies out and see. Alright, this is what we're looking like. Hair feels super soft. Now we do have some floaties here and there, and I did experience that the first time that I used this mousse, but it wasn't like a deal breaker. But yeah, that looks really good. So the hold up side, and I will say that this is very flowy and bouncy. My hair feels super soft, and listen, like the definition is absolutely there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do crazy sexy curl. That's what we're looking like. Now I will say that this side right here, it still has like a cast, like there are still some like firm sections. And as you can see, like it's still, and as you can tell by these pieces here, that it is still kind of, you know, like stiff and has a hold to it. But it is soft, but like I said, you know, there is still like a, you know, slight cast on it. Let's see, any flakes? No, no flakes, not even little floaties, so that's a plus. Alright, so this is what we are looking like on day 1, everyone. I think it looks really good. Based off the cast on this side, I kind of predict that maybe this side will last longer. That's just a prediction, but we shall see. Who knows, both sides may last the same time. But we will definitely see over the next few days how these two products compare. But yeah, y'all, so this is day 1 results. Crazy sexy curl, and we got the hold up. All right, so I will be back tomorrow for day 2. Okay, y'all, so it is actually day 3 of this wash and go battle. As you can see, what side won in my opinion. Definitely the crazy sexy curl side won. I still have definition, I have some volume. As you can see for the hold up side, like we have some frizz here, but I mean we do still have definition as well. Definitely if you look up under this section here, like you can see that there is still really good definition and volume as well. And pretty much the same for this side as well. So yeah, like I said, y'all, I feel like, you know, crazy sexy curl won this battle this time. So comment down below and let me know what you think of these results, and also if there are any other mousse battles that you would like to see. I will definitely try to get those out to you guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.